Hi there, welcome to our new vlog, Visual Thinking for those who think that they cannot draw. As children, we used to draw non-stop, right on our walls, on our breakfast tables, on the paper napkins. Even we used to scribble naughty drawings about our teachers or friends on the blackboards to make them embarrass. Haven't we all done that? Well, at least some must admit. While mugging up important notes, we used to organize each and every point as mind maps and imagery. Why? Because this used to give us the pointers if we forgot the mug up in the exam hall. But what happened when we grew up? We all wanted to be Picasso, Da Vinci or Michelangelo with our drawings, and we found we were nowhere near to the masters. We all stopped drawing. Even scribbling on papers. We started telling ourselves, drawing is not for grown-ups. And what happened in that? We not only forgot to draw simple things, but we also forgot to imagine. To convey our big ideas in the boardroom or in front of a business investor. While conducting workshops at various colleges, education institutes or organizations, I have come to hear several times that I can't draw. I have also noticed that various wonderful ideas had hit the dust or didn't get funding purely because the investors or the board members couldn't visualize the idea in totality. It's sad, isn't it? But the good news is that we all can draw in our subconscious mind. It is not about the quality of drawing that we are talking over here. It is connecting with each other through your drawings. Even wondered how cavemen used to communicate without being able to speak? That's the power of an image. After all, imagination has the word image in it.